Welcome back everyone. Last video I have explained you how to find principal solution of trigonometric equation. I hope you have watched the videos well and learned the concept well. Thank you everyone. My number of views, impressions crossed nearly 2 lakhs. Views more than 90,000. Request to new students, please subscribe the channel so that every updated video reaches to all of you as soon as it released. Now, very important for your 12th standard boards, general solution of trigonometric equation. Part 1. In this video, I will cover simple trigonometric equations. Any sums, however difficult, depend on this 9 formulas. 9. Sin theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0. 4. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. 5. Cos theta equal to cos alpha. 6. Tan theta equal to tan alpha. Sin theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0. Sin equal to sin. Cos equal to cos. Tan equal to tan. So here the general solution is theta equal to n pi. N belong to set of integers. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N belong to set of integers. Theta equal to n pi. N belong to z. Obvious, because tan theta is 0 whenever sin theta is 0. So both are the same solution. Now logic behind that. Sin pi 0. Sin 2 pi 0. Sin 3 pi 0. 4 pi 0. 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi, 11 pi. So 0. And if you go negative side of integers, minus pi 0. Minus 2 pi 0. Minus 3 pi 0. Minus 4 pi 0. Minus 5 pi 0. And hence sin theta equal to 0. The general solution is theta equal to n pi. Cos theta equal to 0. Cos pi by 2 0. 3 pi by 2 0. 5 pi by 2 0. 7 pi by 2 0. 9 pi by 2 0. Now you got the logic. Every odd multiple of pi by 2 cos theta becomes 0. Hence the general solution. 2n plus 1 always represent an odd number. Tan theta equal to 0 whenever sin theta equal to 0. So both have the same general solution. Theta equal to n pi. Now these are the complicated one. Mostly the fourth one. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. Theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. N belong to set of integers. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Theta equal to n pi plus alpha. N belong to the set of integers. So general solution depend on these 9 formulas. Now extra 3 formulas. Now if you have gone through my previous video of principal solution, I have explained you where is signs positive, first and second. So the solutions were theta and pi minus theta, tan theta and pi plus theta. So look, that is only plus sign come here. Now this you have to take care. Theta equal to n pi plus alpha. प्लस आएगा, ये याद रखना है. You have to take care here. This formula only you have plus. Otherwise you have plus minus plus minus plus minus like this. Now next 7, 8, 9. Most important one. Sin square theta equal to sin square alpha. Cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. Because of square, negative values will not come. That is why all of these three have the same general solution. तीन का दम. Theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. This is the general solution. So however sums are difficult, depend only on this 9 trigonometric equation. And most important to note down, 7, 8, 9, they have the same general solution. N pi plus minus alpha. Now, how to solve the sums of simple level? That is the first part. Look, to get marks in boards, first I will cover today only the boards part. Say your sum is find the general solution of sin 3x equal to 0. First you have to write the formula. General solution sin theta equal to 0 is theta equal to n pi. N belong to set of integers. Therefore, general solution here is 3x equal to n pi. N belong to the set of integers. So finally, the value of x is n pi by 3, n belong to z. This type of sums will come for 2 marks in your state board exam. So simple. First you have to mention the formula. Here you get 1 mark, and finding the value of x, write everything properly, you get another 1 mark. So this type of sums will come for 2 marks. So simple. Sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to n pi. Now, say you have tan 4 theta equal to 0. First you have to write general solution tan theta equal to 0 is theta equal to n pi. N belong to set of integers. Therefore, here in place of theta we have 4 theta. Here general solution is 4 theta equal to n pi. N belong to set of integers. So theta equal to n pi by 4. N belong to set of integers. So that is your general solution for this type of sums. Very simple, will come for 2 marks. Very easy. Now, other ones. Okay. Now, sin x equal to half. Find the general solution. Principal solution I have taught you, well explained you in my previous video. Sin x equal to half, general solution. So, look, the right hand side value is always sine of something. That is pi by 6. Now write on the formula. General solution sin theta equal to sin alpha is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. N belong to the set of integers. So therefore, general solution is, in place of theta we have x, in place of alpha we have pi by 6. X equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 6. N belong to the set of integers. This is the way of writing. Again, this sum will come for 2 marks. Only you have to remember, you have to deal with sine, cos and tan. Suppose cosec, cot or sec comes, then always convert in terms of sine, cos and tan accordingly. For example, say your sum is like this. फाइंड जनरल सॉल्यूशन cot थीटा इक्वल टू रूट 3। तो उसको हमेशा tan में कन्वर्ट करना है, मतलब tan थीटा इक्वल टू 1 by रूट 3। now always right hand side is some standard value, tan pi by 6. now write down the formula. General solution tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So therefore general solution here theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 6, n belong to set of integers. तो ये दो चीज याद रखना है, कॉट रहेगा तो रेसिप्रोकल करके टैन में करना है, कोसेक रहेगा तो साइन में करना है, और सेक रहेगा तो कॉस में, और फिर मैंने जैसे बताया वैसे फॉर्मूला मेंशन करके यू टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. So first part I have covered on simple part. Next video I will cover the negative angles and even tough level sum. Till then, bye. Please subscribe so that I can give you the whole solution. Bye everyone. Bye.